All right, so tonight, millions of us are going to go to bed and wake up feeling totally exhausted. And we'll probably blame it on stress or getting older or, just a bad night's sleep. But what if the real problem and the solution is hiding in plain sight, like right there in your own mouth? We're about to dive into this really surprising connection between your teeth and how well you sleep.
I mean, seriously, think about that for a second. What if the key to finally getting a great night's sleep isn't about a new mattress or blackout curtains, but it's actually waiting for you at your dentist's office? I know, it sounds a little out there, but stick with me, because the science behind this is absolutely fascinating.
Okay, let's talk about this hidden sleep epidemic, because it's so much more than just snoring. We've all done it, right? You brush off a rough night's sleep or you make jokes about your partner snoring sounding like a chainsaw. But what if that snoring isn't just annoying? What if it's actually a warning sign for something much bigger going on?
So the fancy medical term for this stuff is sleep-related breathing disorders, or SRBDs for short. And look, this goes way beyond just a little bit of snoring. We're talking about some serious conditions where your breathing literally gets interrupted while you're asleep, and it's often because your airway is actually collapsing.
So how do you know if this is you, or maybe someone you love? Well, take a look at this list and see if any of it rings a bell. We're not talking about quiet, gentle snoring here. This is the loud, can't ignore it kind of snoring. Or maybe you've been told you choke or gasp for air in your sleep. The biggest clue for a lot of people? Waking up just as tired as when you went to bed. And maybe the scariest one is if your partner has ever woken you up, terrified, saying you literally stopped breathing.
Yeah, this is absolutely not something to just ignore or brush off. Leaving these conditions untreated, well, it's linked to some really serious health risks. We're talking about things like major cardiovascular problems and metabolic diseases. This is so much more than just feeling a little groggy in the morning.
All right, so now we get the problem. But what's the solution? Well, here's where it gets interesting. You might think sleep doctor, right? But there's another expert who can be a huge ally in getting you better sleep, and it's your dentist. And before you think this is some kind of fringe idea, listen to this. The American Dental Association, the ADA, they have an official policy that recognizes the absolutely essential role dentists play in treating these sleep disorders. This is mainstream, totally evidence-based medicine.
So what does that actually mean a dentist does? Well, the ADA lays it out in 3 basic steps. First, they can screen you during a normal checkup. They know what to look for in your mouth and jaw. Second, they team up with your doctor to get you a proper diagnosis. And third, they can actually treat the issue with some really effective, non-surgical solutions.
Okay, so when you hear sleep apnea treatment, your brain probably jumps straight to that CPAP machine, right? The mask, the hose, the noise. And look, for some people it works wonders. But let's be real, a lot of people just can't tolerate it. It's bulky, it's loud, it's uncomfortable. Well, that's where something called oral appliance therapy, or OAT, comes in. Think of it like a custom-fit mouthguard. It's silent, it's portable, and for so many patients, it's way more comfortable. Honestly, it's a total game changer.
And here's the really crucial part, something the ADA makes super clear. Dentists are the only healthcare providers who have the deep knowledge and expertise needed to provide this custom therapy. I mean, it makes sense, right? They understand your jaw, your teeth, your facial structure better than anyone. That expertise is what makes this treatment work.
So this is already a huge shift in how we think about sleep. But some dentists are taking it to a whole new level. Let's zoom in on a real-world example in Mansfield, Texas, and meet a dentist who is pioneering a true whole-body approach, connecting your airway to, well, everything.
This is Dr. Jiyoung Jung. She's a doctor of dental surgery, a fellow of the Academy of General Dentistry, and even a TEDx speaker. And she has built her entire practice around this idea that everything in the body is connected.
This quote from Dr. Jung really says it all, doesn't it? The teeth are a gateway to your well-being. Your mouth is not separate from the rest of your body. It sounds simple, but it's such a powerful idea. It means what's happening with your teeth and your jaw isn't just about your mouth. It creates ripple effects through your whole body.
She actually shared this exact message in her viral TEDx talk, which is called, you guessed it, "The Teeth Are a Gateway to Your Well-Being." In the talk, she really breaks down how dentists can be on the front lines of our health, spotting and even helping to address major health problems that all start right there in the mouth.
So to make this whole-body approach easier to understand, Dr. Jung has organized it into a clear philosophy she calls the 3 pillars of well-being. So let's break these down, because this is really cool. The first pillar is structural balance. This is exactly what it sounds like.
making sure your body, your jaw, and your teeth are all aligned and working together perfectly. This has a massive impact on your airway. The second is chemical balance. This is all about getting your body's internal chemistry right, so it has the fuel and environment it needs to heal itself. And then there's the third pillar, one that is so often overlooked: emotional and mental balance. This is all about recognizing that powerful, undeniable connection between your mind and your body's health.
And here's what makes this approach so different, so powerful. It's not just about slapping a Band-Aid on a symptom. Yeah, an oral appliance is great, it can open your airway. But Dr. Jung's philosophy asks a deeper question: why is the airway collapsing to begin with? It's all about digging down to find that root cause to get you to a state of real, lasting health.
Okay, so this all sounds amazing in theory, right? But what does it actually look like in practice? Let's talk about how Dr. Jung can help and what your path to better sleep could actually be.
So over at her practice, Central Park Dental and Orthodontics, she offers a few really specialized services. First, there's collaborative care, which means she works hand in hand with your other doctors to make sure everyone's on the same page. Of course, she provides that custom oral appliance therapy we talked about. And she also offers something called advanced laser therapy. It's this totally painless procedure that helps tighten up the tissues in your throat to improve airflow and cut down on snoring. Pretty amazing stuff.
So we've laid it all out. We've seen just how connected your mouth is to your sleep and how your sleep is connected to, well, everything else. The only question left is, are you ready to finally connect those dots for yourself?
If you're in or around Mansfield, Texas, and any of this has resonated with you, I really encourage you to learn more. You can schedule a consultation with Dr. Jiyoung Jung at her practice, Central Park Dental and Orthodontics. All the information is right there on the screen. Seriously, taking this one step could be the key to unlocking not just better sleep, but better health for the rest of your life. Thanks so much for watching.